Mojini said that from Jaini Pabre, Obiti Canada, ni obedi cross. Bogus P 9 time cano cre, Kamube Wunsa man on the cry of Fonchre. Pamadia nya usika, nya obedie, o baby da. Yakope vesa. Kwa America, kwa bide kwa. Efutu on sachre nipa na kosohwe. Bibifuo de sese ya na mope. Hey, pepe, gene ho, kwenza kakadia o ye. Muna mubu New York. Ejuma pigu akwetia nti don't fuck. Num jot. Jesus shot. What dross and wine fort. Ghana bro. Check out it. Sarkodie holidays. Then maybe fear na minti obi a case. Boga ene ye den bro. Hey, masa na uba ye be. Me ba ye nche. Afe na mebe dru no bin swam na me come. Osi ejuma pigu akwetia nto don't fuck. If you know our history very well, akwetia we dey mine bauxite and things for there, bro. Sarkodie semen kan ejuma pigu infa akwetia nti don't what? Don't fuck. Boga ene ye den masa. Onso uba ye be. Uba ya che. Afe na wabedru no bin swam na come bu. Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency, yes, Sarkodie Obidi Hova, popularly known as popularly known as Fodiwa, popularly known as the punch in the teeth. What my lady say? Sarkodie's favorite girlfriend name be Millicent. Or Bonyum na Millicent in Nimenyum Ninsi, yes. Sarkodie, Fodiwa, yes, Fodiwa, yes, Bakubia a tanky. Sarkodie is trending on Twitter because of a tweet that he made. I'm not good at singing it because I'm not a boga yet. We do boga level. I'll learn how to sing this particular song. But Sarkodie has made a tweet on Twitter, and then people are calling Sarkodie out. You know, Sarkodie is a brand ambassador for FBG, First Bank of Ghana, formerly known as FBN, First Bank of Nigeria. So Sarkodie, he they make tweet and post promoting the bank and all that. Today, he made a post where he even tagged the FBG. And in the post, this is what Sarkodie said. First rapper to ... So complete the sentence. This is like we a comprehension or grammar. Yes. Complete the sentence. Sarkodie has turned himself into an English TR on social media. And say complete the sentence. First rapper to... But if you ask me, first rapper to, what do I know Sarkodie for? First rapper to Muna Mubu New York. Yes. Muna first rapper to say Muna Mubu New York was a Juma Piwa Akwetia. But COVID by you Johnny could say US Nyankopon Kwa and in Okwafo. This is what Sarkodie tweeted, and then Ghanaians in the comments decided to do what? Complete the sentence. Because the sentence don't be complete. It be incomplete like some building. So I for make you guys know what Ghanaians were telling Sarkodie. The first rapper to... I don't know what Sarkodie was expecting when he put this tweet out, because maybe they expect positives. But bro, in this era where we have been calling you out for almost 1 month, you don't say anything. The only thing you can do is say you perform for Tidal Rave. After that, you post FBG. After that, the next thing be first rapper to... First rapper, you know, say first Ghanaian rapper. He said first rapper too. So I'm going to share with you guys some comments from the Ghanaian community and even people from international. But before that, make a do advert. This episode is brought to you by what? Tap, send. Tap, and do what? Send, bro. If you're in the US, UK, Canada, Europe, UAE, and you want the fastest and easiest way to send money, bro, the app you for use be what? Tap, send, bro. On your first transaction, use the promo code YAWA. If you get £5, €5, or $10, pay per day. Zero transaction fee. So the app for you is what? Free. Tap, send. Now let's go straight into the comments. So when I say first rapper to, near the comments, Nashas here. First rapper to post about NSAS, but didn't give a shit when his country needed his voice. Facts. Yes, when NSAS happened in Nigeria, Sarkodie put in a word. By a rich in countryman own Sarkodie, he sleep. He just they tie that rape, they give we back to back. Yes. First rapper to, this is from Twala, the first rapper to support Galamsey. Ejuma Pigu Akwiti and don't fuck. First rapper to support Galamsey. Sarkodie with the yacho. You supported Galamsey. That's what Twilight is saying. I be Sarkodie the expect answers. The answers he the expect, he go get them. First rapper to, this is first rapper from Africa to win BET award. It was backstage, but we don't care. So first rapper to win what? BET at the backstage. Yes, Sarkodie. Was it backstage? Okay. Kojo Dynamic, one of the NDC apparatchiks on social media, that's Anam Perry, is the first rapper to openly campaign for his political party, but failed to reach Grammys after several years of hint. I'm on the way to Grammys. I'm on my way to Grammys. It's been 59-year-old years. Sarkodie never reached Grammys. He's still there Ghana. He not even reach anywhere. He's still there Ghana. Ciao. So he not reach yet. Yes. First rapper to openly campaign for his political party, but failed to reach campaign for his political party backdate to Sarkodie's song with Kwame Eugene. Naah yeden twaso. Everybody. Mini Father why me, baby. All the baby. Jo. I the child with the blessing, Jo. Intimate can you man because can and night and twaso. Any my nigga. First rapper to receive feeding bottle.
Doctor, you my nigga.
Feeding bottle, the only time they receive feeding bottle be when you are an infant. Even child self, they receive feeding bottle. But Sarkodie grow top 82. He received feeding bottle from who? Dr. UN. Whilst people they go United Nations, Sarkodie they go see what Dr. UN. Where they receive feeding bottle, bro. First rapper to endorse incompetent government and run away with his family during elections. This story they backdate to when Sarkodie was outside the country when COVID came. You guys see a local borders sometimes, then Sarkodie lock for you. He say use the money or the money finish. He can't come back to the country, so make Nanado open the borders. So he campaigned for the party, read the election where he ran. That's what this person is saying. So that is the reference, my nigga. Yes. First rapper to completely neglect the youth when they need him the most, only to milk them from Rapaholic outrageous ticket prices. Yes. Rapaholic ticket Bakubia is saying 500 series. 500. Yes. You no bounce Rapaholic ticket, they're fixed price. First rapper to call himself landlord, but stays mute when the land is being destroyed by his masters. He took his geography class serious, yes. First rapper to call himself a landlord, but stays mute when the land is... But how can you be a landlord? And when the tenants are messing up in your house, you are not saying anything. Unless maybe he get different contests for the landlords he talk about, bro. Mentias here. First rapper to call himself Irish cream because you are missing the ingredients. Minyanka mebo sa verse na mamu meba. Mebo Irish cream verse na mamu. Wait, hold up, meba. Sarkodie Irish cream meba. Tie Irish cream. Producer mun pick a voice na mame. Sarkodie Irish cream. Tie. Estatifia. Listen.
Making a perfect meal, but I'm the missing ingredient. Call me an Irish cream.
I'm making a perfect meal, but I'm the missing ingredient. Call me what? Irish cream. He's making a perfect meal, but he's the missing ingredient. Call him what? The Irish cream. Is Irish cream really a food ingredient? What was he saying, bro? The first rapper to pay Ace Hood $25,000. Na collabo. Yeah. He wants some collabo. You guys remember Sarkodie featuring Ace Hood. I'm a new guy. Mercedes rap of kilotons, rap if you America, but it truly belongs to the blacks. When I'm free to catch on the song, fuck around me, and I'm the Spanish bet you lost. When I said rapping, yeah, we started from 97, they told me be an Angela, minimum for big minimum will be disturbing the neighborhood, my community. Now, still I'm going to rap the vim new woman dog meet. Aha, Sarkodie fishing ace wood. You see, you have $25,000 for a feature. Omu two numeri na ace wood in carrier says will be otishiashi. Me na me kind. Yes, ace wood. From that time to now, I never hear his name again. If you think so, show me where Ace would be. Me na me kind. First rapper to be in the industry for 20 years without a Grammy. But no crew. First rapper. Over 20 years safe. Over a decade. 2 decades, bro. First rapper to be in the country for 20 years without a Grammy. Hey. They mean to mean KB. Play Ekutianyum, first rapper to play Ekutianyum for NDC and keep his mouth shut during a dictator Adodi's time. Me fa munko history and I nyom we day mu raise nyom na ma inflation mu fa title na ma me ne to. Inflation Ekutianyum for NDC. Inflation title ne day. Oh, the nation is full of surprises. Be seen yes. But see now we still live in crisis. Cantaman to kokoshe nyama prices. Isi give so mu pay omo tactics and then na doom so watching na pipe. To nyama so ni ebedum no 5 fele wo gallon ne save your life. We ni anye din ya want to meet you tight. That was a Ekutianyum for NDC in 2014 by Rick Dictator Adodi's time Sarkodie Wada. First rapper to win BET award, win BET Hip Hop Award, sell out Apollo Theater or Apollo Nina Theater. Hit 100 million views on a video on YouTube. Sell out the O2 Indigo. O2 Indigo. Okay. Sarkodie to chart Apple Music US UK hip hop album with 4 albums. Yes. Chart in over 40 countries on Apple Music with 4 albums. So yes, this be a plus for Sarkodie BET and the idea. Okay. First rapper to win BET Best International Flow Award. Sarkodie true. First rapper to say Nana Twaso. Yes. First rapper to diss her ex woefully and call her names publicly. Some pay me the time. Mama is my time. Coming, time. First rapper to this ex woefully and call her names publicly. That's Sarkodie versus Yvonne Nelson. This person gave us a list. First rapper to receive Dr. UN award. Check. First rapper to ever write a diss song to a woman he dated. Check. First rapper on his way to Grammys since 2012, but I never reached. Yes, I'm on my way to Grammys. First time I come sem fisena minibi and then cash abantu mu a friend Illuminati. Sorry, man, you're lucky. On my way to Grammys, my coach any group break. I mean, push Bugatti, bro. Any and ne. First rapper to take GH Rap International. That's true. Yeah, true. First rapper to chop Yvonne Nelson. First rapper to chop Yvonne Nelson. Chop him like onion or what? More concern. First rapper to reply a rapper's diss track with a young throwback freestyle video and art. Sarkodie versus Drimo. Nigerian Norman throwback as a reply. This one be plus, yes. First rapper to impregnate a woman. Drive her to abortion clinic and leave her to die with the unborn baby. Such a heartless and cruel behavior. Where the wala wafaba so mwe. First rapper to impregnate a woman. Drive her to abortion clinic and leave her and left her to die with the unborn baby. That was Yvonne Nelson's book. I Am Not Yvonne Nelson. Page 56 or 57. This story is there. You can buy the book and then you also read more comments there. I think I have one. First rapper to keep mute on national issues. Supports Galamsey. Declares support for MPP when they are not performing. Almost wasted Yvonne Nelson's life. Can boost Can't boast, okay, boast and not throw boost, all right. Can't boast of a single artist he brought to the limelight. Doesn't have a single English song. This person lists like 6 things. I think Sarkodie has an English song, a workshop. But even the workshop said they have a line in it that's 3, but it was a complete English song. This person says, kill an innocent soul and sneak to record a diss song for the lady. The first rapper not to comment on Galamsey. And then the last one here is the first rapper to say, how Bakubia a 10K? And indeed, it is 10K. Yes, so the first rapper to, you can continue in the comment section for Obedi Hova Sarkodie. Yes, for now, this is what we've been able to gather. Let us know what you think in the comment section. My name is Sarkodie. My name is Ace Kanti. This episode is brought to you by Tap and do what? Send. We'll see you another time. We out.